Just a simple marble. This is my inspiration this morning, and I'm going to see if I can paint it on a tile. First, we're doing a little bit of Prussian or Indigo by Atelier. I don't want too much because this blue can take over. So I'm going to use a little less than I think I need. Oops. We're going to roll a marble through it anyway, so this will be beautiful. It's beautiful. So I'm kind of going for lake-ish vibe because I live on the lake. It's gorgeous. And I want kind of like frozen glass, maybe kind of like sea glass is more what I'm looking for. I'm going to call it lake glass, Lake Michigan glass. We can pick up glass on our shores. All right, and then let's do a little bit of titanium white, break this up a little. All right, and here we go. This is Pearlescent Green by Lumiere. There we go. I'm going to put a little Neptune on. I just can't stand it. I just love this color. It's so beautiful. I'm actually going to spread it out a little bit because I want it to show up out here. Okay. Okay. Let's blow. And I am going to put a marble on it. And we're going to roll this marble around. Okay. I did love the bloom the way it was, but we're going to give it a little bit of character with this marble. All right. Oh, I have a feeling when I spin this, it's going to be gorgeous. Let's give it a little spin here. I'm going to try to take all these edges off. Ooh, pretty colors. Wow, that's really beautiful. It's not what I expected. It's got the Neptune is not really showing as much as I thought it would. It's got kind of like a smoky look to it. Colors are starting to pop up now. They're beautiful. And I'm going to keep rolling it. There we go. Keep spinning. Wow, that's beautiful. Very nautical. A little more to it. I love it. I really love it. Just like that. It's got this, it's very, very interesting. It's a little surprising. I thought I would see more of the purple in it, but I don't. But really, it's beautiful. Let's get a little more paint off it. I love the lines on it. It's gorgeous. Gorgeous, gorgeous, gorgeous. I'm going to stop right there and put it up on the drying table so we can take a look at it. It's just very, very pretty.